Hi PHA families, this is our new space. I'm walking in our current space, the beach room, the canoe room, you're used to those. The lavender room, our Serenity Now breastfeeding room. This is where the wall used to be. We now have a coral room and a peach room. Fresh, new, lovely. And as we go down the hallway, we have a gray room. Another gray room. And a fresh new patient bathroom. Then we keep going. Another bathroom. And here are the doctor's offices that we looked at before. So very exciting that we don't have to walk through the hallway anymore, and soon we will be able to reactivate the well and sick waiting room concept. So we're making progress. Wish us luck.